Yes, I'm Mark Tadros, founder, CEO of Stardust Solar. We've been in business for almost a decade now, and our company actually began as an installation business where, Justin's right. We were getting up on roofs, experiencing installation. So we really understand the core business here, which is installing solar on residential properties and light commercial properties. Very quickly, I recognized this company needed a signature. It really needed a niche, something to cut us out and make us unique in the industry. And that's when we created Stardust Solar Training and Compliance. It just so happens that in my previous entrepreneurial life, I had a lot of experience building companies in the training and compliance space. So I knew that business model extremely well. However, there was nothing in the solar industry assuring compliance, ensuring that training is up to par, and offering people a foundation to start their business in solar installation. So we took the National Electrical Code and the Canadian Electrical Code and built our own internal curriculum. This ended up getting certified by NABCEP in the US and also by CSA, the governing authority in Canada. So here we are, Stardust Solar Training, 8 years ago, coming out with this great training program that's accredited on both sides of the border. That's the foundation for our company. It's where it began. And we trained over 2,500 people in North America through our program. We were doing classes 9 times a month in every corner of the continent. We were doing, Anaheim, Chicago, Illinois, Jacksonville, Florida. We were in Seattle, Washington, Montreal, Quebec, Vancouver, Toronto. We were literally doing classes every month across the continent. And then we got hit with COVID, and that really changed the story of our business. We couldn't run classes. We couldn't run workshops anymore. And that's when we had to re-envision the business. So we went back to our 2,500 students and asked them a really simple question. How can we help you? What can we do at Stardust to serve you and help you be successful? And everybody wanted the same things. They wanted access to good quality equipment. They wanted branding help. They wanted engineering help. And that's when the light bulb went off. And I said, this is not a training business. This is actually a franchise. So we launched in 2021 Stardust Solar Franchise. And it just took off. We scaled up very quickly to 31 locations. And just last year in October, we actually listed our company on the Canadian Stock Exchange, the TSXV. Huge moment for our company, lots of momentum. And then very shortly after that, we came to a union with Solar Grids, which is how we came about today. So we accomplished a merger through the public markets that brought both of these brands together. We recognized up here that we have a great training platform, but it was necessary that we had a great American brand with American leadership, such as Justin, to help us grow our business. So we partnered together, merged both companies together, and today, you're talking to the largest solar franchise business in North America, sitting on 78 territories, 78 franchises across the entire continent, and we're growing at 50 to 100% year over year.